In this troubleshooting video, I will guide you through resolving the service running without required privileges alert in BDRSuite Backup Server. First, let's look at the cause. The alert: the service is running in a Logon account without the required privileges, shows up when the BDRSuite Backup Server lacks administrator access. This is needed to install the Delegation Service for Hyper-V backups and the Backup Agent for disk image and files and folders backup. To begin, download the BDRSuite Backup Server from the BDRSuite website and install it on Windows, Linux, or as a Docker container. After installation, open the Run dialog box from the Start menu or by pressing Windows +R on your keyboard. Next, type services-c and press Enter. The Services window will open. Scroll down and locate the service named BDRSuite Backup Server for virtual physical workloads. Right-click the service and select Properties. On the Properties window, navigate to the Logon tab. Now, select this account and input your administrator credentials. Once done, click Apply and OK. Next, click OK on the confirmation dialog box. Finally, restart the service for the changes to take effect. If you need any assistance, contact BDRSuite support. Thanks for watching.